Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be talking about how to upload 1440p videos onto YouTube. So first what you want to do is you want to, get your footage and everything, stuff like that, export into the sequence. Next what you want to do is you want to go to File, then go to Export, go to Media, and then change the resolution to 1440p as I'm just about to show you. Then once it's done exporting, you'll want to go to YouTube and upload it, and then what it will do is it'll encode it in the VP9 codec, and then it'll make it so like your frame rate is a lot smoother, and also like the edges look a lot smoother than if you were to upload in 1080p. Just note that when you are uploading in 1440p, it might take a long time. Sometimes it might not actually even process the 1440p version of it, and I don't know how to fix this. There's been a lot of things saying like it just does that. Thanks for watching and have a great day, and hopefully it processes the 1440p version of it. If it doesn't, I don't know how to fix it once again. Just have a great rest of your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see my content, and yeah.